Hello, this video demonstration is going to focus on creating assignments with multiple categories. So if you want to be able to assign more than one score to a single assignment, this is the feature you can use. Notice we're looking at our home page, which is where we typically start. And if you want to create an assignment, you need to get to the Create Edit Assignment window, which is located either by using the plus sign here in the calendar or by going to your grading page or your assignments page by going to the grade button or your assignment page by going to the subject listed off of the grading icon. In this case, I'll go ahead and pick Read 5. So take me to my assignment page. And from there, I'll go ahead and create a new assignment using the new assignment title. And when you create an assignment using multiple categories, you basically can start the same way by setting a type. I'll call this homework. I'm just going to call this my weekly language packet. And I don't need to assign points at this point because I'm going to assign those within the categories. And you can assign categories one of two ways. You can go to the categories tab, or you can go to the categories button right here in line with the point. So I'll just use the button for the purposes of this demonstration. When you get here, you're going to have a drop down under the grading category, and you can have items in this if you've created them, okay, at the district level. Things that you'll find here, you might find standards if you want to have your assignment mapped to a standard. You also might have some categories that you use frequently, so you can define them once and have them available from a pick list. If you don't have those, you can just use the description field with the generic category. For example, for my example, I'm going to use the description field and just say this is my spelling packet, and I'll make that worth 10 points. In my language arts homework packet every week, I also have a book report worth 10 points and maybe an essay worth 10 points. So I've got a total of 30 points possible in 3 different categories. I'll apply that. If we look back here to my lesson or to my assignment, you'll see that I've got 30 points possible, and I've got 3 categories. And I do want to change the date because the date's not inside my term, so I'll make this on Friday the 23rd. Okay? If you wanted to share the assignment, you could. For this example, I'm going to keep it simple and just use the categories. So I'll go ahead and save and close. When you save an assignment with categories, it looks a little bit different in your grade book. This is what a normal assignment looks like. It's ready to take a score. Okay? This is a single category assignment like we're pretty much used to in most grade books. Okay? Go ahead and save those scores. This is what a multi-category assignment looks like. It says the word click when it doesn't have a score. Okay? And the reason for that is you're going to need to enter 3 scores. If you remember, we had 3 categories. We had a spelling packet, a book report, and an essay. So now I can look at kids and see how they did on each of these. They'll still get a total score, but now I know how they did on each item. And I'll just put one more in, and then I'll go ahead and close this. So my first 2 kids have scores. Notice kids that have scores in a assignment that has multiple categories, their scores will be linked, whereas these ones are not. Okay? Because if you want to edit them, you're going to have to go look at all 3. Okay? I'll just give you one more peek. These are the categories. This is how you score. And I can close, and that'll save automatically. Okay, that's how you create an assignment using multiple categories. The other assignment types that we have and little mini demonstrations that we have are on adding a share list, attaching a file, or copying an assignment from a previous year. If you're new to Paycent, this won't be available, but if you've been with Paycent for at least a year and you have assignments created last year, you can pull those into this year and you don't have to recreate those from scratch. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.